So I'm just preparing Skadoc for the very last few bits that I need to do before shipping out. So I've arranged a crane for next week, so I need to just get the last little bits done here. Just got a few bits to put in and strap down, make sure everything is okay for transport, and then we can get this out and get on with the next project. I kept some of the viewports. These are there's one for each. There's one for each size. There's a few different sizes, so I kept one of each just for a template. This one for the front, I was forced to. This one, the forward one, I was forced to cut these off because there was just no way these were coming out. So these need drilling out. Sorry about that. These are all the gaskets that were on the viewports. I think I just kept one or two of each one. I don't think there's all of them. Again, I just kept them to use as templates. I'll stick them in the box. That cord. I think that was round the inside of this main one, actually. I think. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it was round. It was round one of these, I think. Yeah. You'll work it out. These are all the bolts that came out of these large viewports here. This sort of machined. Put those in a box. Right, I'm just going to move. I'm going to take these off because the new owner has said he wants them, and I was kind of hoping that he wouldn't want them because I kind of like them. But to be fair, they're part of the boat, so. Strap everything down now with a ratchet strap, and then that's it. I think.
And just a couple of pictures here of some other things I've been working on. This is a pressure hull, basic pressure hull idea, which I've got a quote coming in for that for the parts. I've got a feeling it's going to be pretty expensive, but I've sent them in this drawing, so hopefully we'll get a quote for that this week. See what that feels like. I've also started or modelled up Jodie B. I've done this simply because I haven't actually used the finite element analysis part of this program yet, and so what I want to do is run it on a model that I know what the results should be, more or less, so then I can see if I'm doing it right. So I need to just practice that, and then I can run the analysis on my own designs. So I've been really careful to make sure that this model is super accurate, so everything is absolutely as per the proper design, as you can see. So hopefully once I get to grips with the simulation software and the element analysis, then I can run some tests on my own designs, and also we'll see what the price comes in at for this one.